Let's have a look at this question. It seems to be an image-based question. They have asked us that a patient reports to the clinic next day following extraction of 7-5. Picture shows the condition. The cause for this condition is asked, whether it is because of external trauma, inadvertent lip biting under anesthesia, injury caused by the operator, or any of the above. Now, to answer such image and case-based questions, the most important thing to do is correlate what is given in the question along with the image and note down all the important points that are seen. So the first thing that we can see is that there is some sort of a soft tissue trauma that is present or an injury which is seen on the inner surface of the lip. The second thing we notice is that the injury is restricted only to this area and there is no other external injury which is present on the face. So no other external injury is present. Why is this important to notice? Because had it been injury due to a fall, the child could have sustained some more injury, maybe onto the face, etc. But nothing of this sort is visible here. However, the most important thing to note is the history of the patient. So according to the history, we know that the child underwent extraction and that too of the tooth number 7-5. Now, why is the tooth number important? Is because this is the lower left side tooth number 5, that is E. So the lower deciduous second molar on the left is extracted. This is important because for the extraction of this tooth, usually an INB nerve block is given, that is inferior alveolar nerve block. Now, if you notice carefully, the trauma does not extend beyond the midline. Also, we know that when an INB nerve block is given, the entire area on that side gets anesthetized up till the midline. So this is something that is very important to note. So we know that with INB nerve block, if it was given on the left side, this entire area would have been anesthetized. So it is very possible that a child inadvertently either bites his lip under the effect of anesthesia or without being aware must have eaten something really hot which could have caused this injury or the trauma. So this seems to be the most likely cause for this condition. Now, injury caused by the operator to the patient, if you can see that the extraction was done on a posterior tooth. The trauma is more on the anterior region. Plus, had any trauma been sustained by the patient due to the operator, it would have been visible during that visit itself. There would have been bleeding, or the child would have complained, or there would have been something that would have brought it to the attention at that moment itself. If the child is coming the next day, so this is very important to know that the child is coming next day with a history of trauma. So it is most likely because the child being unaware that that area has been numbed, has because he cannot feel pain, he has undergone some soft tissue trauma either because of lip biting or because of consuming something hot, or inadvertently he must have hit himself somewhere. So this is because of the action of the anesthesia. This is also one of the reasons why short-acting LA is used in pediatric dentistry, because we want the effect of the LA to last only till the procedure lasts. We don't want the the effects of LA to be present even after the procedure, because the child unknowingly might sustain some injury.